Hi, this is Navin Raj, chemistry lecturer. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Yeah, we're going to discuss about the types of unit cell. Types of unit cell. There are two types. That is primitive unit cell. Another one is centered unit cell. Again, further, the centered unit cell is further classified into FCC, BCC and ECC. FCC is nothing but face centered cubic. Similarly, body centered cubic and centered cubic. Similarly, the primitive unit cell as classified into 7, that is cubic, triagonal, tetragonal, hexagonal, triclinic, monoclinic, rhombic. There is 7 unit cells: cubic, triagonal, tetragonal, hexagonal, triclinic, monoclinic, rhomboidal. We can remember this simply, that is, you see, triagonal, tetragonal, hexagonal. We can make a sense 3, and triclinic, monoclinic, this is 2. Correct? Now we can easily remember. Now we are going to discuss the center unit cell.
Center unit cell can be classified into 3 types. In that, number 1, body centered unit cell. The body unit cell is nothing but other than corners, means we know that already all the corners as constant particles are occupied. Other than corners, the one of the constant particles are at the center of the body of a unit cell, it is occupied. That is called body centered unit cell. Next, face centered unit cell. Similarly, here the constant particles are occupied at the corners and one of the constant particles at the center of the each faces. We know if we take a cube, we have the 6 faces. You can see in diagram. Last, end centered unit cell. Other than corners, it contains one constant particles at the center of 2 opposite faces in a unit cell. 2 opposite faces in a unit cell is called end centered unit cell. Next, we are going to study about the classification of primitive unit cell. In this, you can see that 7 crystal systems, that is cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, rhomboedral, hexagonal. First, we are going to study about cubic. In cubic, we know that edge length ABC is equal. A is length, B is width, C is height. You see that distance between A and B get alpha, beta, gamma is equals to 90. Next, we are going to study about tetragonal. In tetragonal, the edge length A equals B, but B does not equals to C. Then length and width are equals, height is not equal. So when it changes, but angles never changes, alpha, beta, gamma is equals to 90. You can see in diagram. In orthorhombic, all edge length are not equal. Length is not equal to width, width is not equal to height. In this, ABC is not equals to each other. When come to interfacial angles, alpha, beta, gamma, all are equals to 90. In monoclinic, all edge length is not equal, and also in interfacial angles, one of the angle like beta is not equal to 90, then alpha is equals to gamma is equals to 90. You can see in diagram. In triclinic crystal system, all the edge length is not equal, and also all interfacial angles are not equal to 90. You can see in diagram. Rhomboedral. In rhomboedral crystal system, all the edge length are equal to each other, but one of the inter angles not equal to 90, that is gamma. Alpha is equals to beta, but gamma does not equals to 90. You can see in diagram. Yeah, we're going to study last crystal system, that is a hexagonal crystal system. In this, edge length A is equals to B, but A and B does not equals to C, means length and width will equals, but height does not equal. When come to angles, alpha and beta is equals to 90, but gamma equals to 120. You can see diagram. In cubic crystal systems, you can see that space lattice are simple and body centered and face centered. Next, tetragonal. In tetragonal, the space lattices are simple points and body centered. You can see in diagram. When we come to orthorhombic, you can see it. The space lattice are simple, end centered, body centered, and face centered. In rhomboedral or triagonal, we can see it. The space lattice are simple points, that is corners. In hexagonal, the space lattices are the simple. When come to monoclinic, you can see the space lattices are simple and end centered. When come to triclinic, we can see it. The simple means corners. Constant particles are arranged or packing in one dimensional and two dimensional and three dimensional